Everyone, welcome back to the Tableau tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss the installation of Tableau Desktop, its whole setting up, and the installation of Tableau Public and its setting up, because the process is really simple. For those of you who don't know the difference between the two, Tableau Desktop is a paid software which is generally used by companies. However, if you want to use it, a 14-day trial version is available, which you can just use to get a glimpse of how it works. However, if you're a beginner and want to learn Tableau, then you can go for Tableau Public, because that's freely available, and that allows you to share your data all over the internet to connect with a community of like-minded people who like to use on Tableau or who like to work on Tableau. So this is what we get on Googling Tableau Desktop. Of course, you can use any other search engine, that's no compulsion. And here is a little summary about Tableau software. So let's just read that real quick. Tableau software is an American interactive data visualization software company that focused on business intelligence, founded in the year 2003 in Mountain View, California, and is currently headquartered in Seattle, Washington. And in 2019, the company was acquired by Salesforce for $15.7 billion. So that's not something we need to know. All we need to know is that it is an independent company, that is the Tableau software company. Okay. Now, this is the first link, that is the Tableau Desktop link that you need to go for to download Tableau Desktop. Okay. Now, once you open this link, this is the site of Tableau Desktop that you would be greeted for. Okay, so this is the whole site that would give you some glimpse of the Tableau software, how it works, how can you just work with it. Like you can see, they have created some chart and they're showing how to just work with that particular chart, right? Now all this information is available on the website itself. All we need to do is try this particular software for free. Okay, so this is the button, try it for free button. If you just click on this, or if you click on the try now button, then you would be able to download the 14-day trial version. In case you want to purchase it, you can go to buy now or the pricing section to get the pricing for this. This is what you would get once you click on this try it for free. This is something that you will get. So let me just quickly enter my email ID and then we would be good to go. Although it asks for a business email, but there is no compulsion for you to add your business email. You can simply just provide a simple Gmail address. Okay. So this is my email address. As you can see, it's a simple Gmail address. I've provided it and it's accepted. We can click on download free trial. Now what happens? My download begins. I can click on to save it. Now its size is 455 MB, so it's going to take a few minutes to download. You have to wait for that particular amount of time. So let's just meet once this file has been fully downloaded. Okay. So once the file has been downloaded, that is the 455 MB file, this kind of a screen would be visible. Actually, if that is not visible automatically, you gotta run the file, the exe file that you have just downloaded. And here what you need to do is accept the license terms, and I would recommend you to check this don't send product usage data option as well for data security reasons, and then you can click on the install button. I'm not going to click on install button because Tableau Desktop is not we are going to install. We are going to install Tableau Public, but here you can click on install button, nothing else required, and that would be installed onto your system. Now what I'm going to do is instead close this setup, click on yes. Now let's just go for Tableau Public and let's see how it is downloaded onto our system. Okay, so Tableau Public downloading process is also really simple and very much identical to Tableau Desktop. All you need to do is just Google Tableau Public, and the first link that you get, you can just go to that link. I've opened this in this particular tab. Now in this link, what do we need to do is we need to just download the app. Okay, there are options of sign up and sign in. but these are for Tableau Online, which we won't be using right now. We would just be downloading Tableau Public. So all you need to do is provide your email address and click on download the app. Now again, what will happen is a file would be downloaded, that is the exe file, through which you can work with Tableau Public onto your system, right? So this is the screen that you would be getting, and this is the whole setup. You can click on save. Okay, now you can see it's starting to download. You have to wait for the specified amount of time, and after it's downloaded, we will continue with the video on the next steps. Once your file has been downloaded for Tableau Public, this is the same home screen that you would be getting. The difference is that is Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Okay, so we have to check all these both of these signs and click on install. Now you can see it has started the installation process, and as soon as this progress bar fills, you would be able to see the software working for you and it would be running. In this screen you can get information like the current version of the Tableau that's available. So it's Tableau Public 2021.1.1 version that is available for you. So yeah, you have to wait for the stipulated amount of time, which is not more than 2 to 3 minutes, for this to download. So let's meet once the progress bar has been completed. Okay, this is the Tableau Public home screen that we have got, and the Tableau Desktop home screen is also similar. So if you have downloaded that, your problem there won't be any problem, but it would be just easier to work with either one of them, so that's totally up to you. Now the things that we need to see over here are the data connectors. In Tableau Desktop we have a large number of data connectors. The 250 connectors that we have discussed during the introduction part are all available in Tableau Desktop. However, in Tableau Public there is a limited number of data connectors that are available, right? Like you can connect to a file, all these files are available, or you can connect to a server like OData, and if you just click on this more, so you can just directly connect with Google Sheets or a web data connector. That means you can work with the real-time data as well. Okay, now the thing is you have to select the file with which you want to connect. So suppose if you don't have any of the data files, or you have no idea how to work with the data files, then don't worry, because once you download Tableau, anything like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, anything, if you install the developer tools, then sample data files are given to you. And the interesting part is that that sample data is so good that you can just work with it very easily, very smoothly, and actually it has everything that you need to work with, like all the visualizations you can create using that sample data. It's a full-fledged data. Okay, so we can just go to Microsoft Excel, because that's the format in which it is available, and you see this sample superstore file. This is the actual file that is available in the Tableau repository. In case you're wondering how to access that, so what you need to do is you need to scroll to this documents folder, the built-in documents folder of your PC, over here, and here this is something called as my Tableau repository. So if you just double click on it, there are these different options available. You can select the data sources. Now here the versions of Tableau are given. Right now the version that we are using is 2021.1 version, so you have to select that particular version, select this folder, and this is the sample superstore data that is available for usage. You can just click on it and click on open. That's how simply you can just connect any data source in Tableau. Now once we have connected to the data source, this is the kind of the screen that is available. This is actually how you are going to pre-process the data. Like if you want to perform any changes on data before it goes into creating visualizations, this is the place where we would be working on. So as you can see over here, there are these 3 tables and 3 sheets given, but in order to understand them clearly, we have to first take a look at this whole Excel sheet, that is the sample superstore sheet. Then we would be learning about the basics of the data pre-processing that we would be doing in this particular screen. Then we would be proceeding to create the visualizations. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.